Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whatever time it is you are watching this video. So today is Saturday around 4 o'clock in the afternoon here in Libis in our garage. So for today's video, I want to make a special video, a tribute for Mitsubishi, because I just realized that we have a very good opportunity here, because right now I have one of the most iconic lineup back in 1990s for Mitsubishi line, no? Bam! Ayan, kaka-realize ko lang na we have the Galant Ray-Ban. It's a 1993 or 1994 Ray-Ban. And the older brother, the younger brother, if I may, 1999 Galant Shark. So this is the generation 7 and this is the generation 8, Gen 8. And then of course, we have the 1998 Pajero Gen 2 V6 gas. Nakataas na ang mga hood nila dahil I was taking some pictures a while ago to capture this very moment, no? I'll give you time to marinate on this experience. Ayan, no? So this might be a short video. I don't know how long this video will be. Pero I was contemplating nga, kasi I realized na may tatlo tayong kotse ditong medyo iconic for Mitsubishi, no? Back in the days. Kasi as we know, during the 1990s, itong the best era of car culture, at least for me, the 80s and the 90s. And in this time period, dito na mayagpag ang Mitsubishi, dito naglabas ng mga very iconic cars like this is where the time when they introduced the sports sedan into the market. I believe silang nauna sa sports sedan using the Galant, the GTIs, yan. Tapos they also released a couple of iconic cars like the GTO 3000. Of course, my favorite is the Mitsubishi Evolution line, and then the Eclipse, then the VR4, ano pa ba? Yan, no? Along the Pajero. So dito na lang na-release lahat. So sila na mamayagpag during that time. Kaya here we are very lucky enough na merong tatlo dito sa garage. And the Galant Ray-Ban, as you know, for those following my channel, this is the Galant of the late Eddie Garcia. So, Mr. Eddie Garcia is an iconic action star, matinee idol, no? Here in the Philippines. So, he's a car guy, and one of his cars is ito. The car is still registered under his name. So, he bought it brand new in casa. So, what we have here is a 1993 Galant Ray-Ban manual with that V6 Doc 24 valves engine, 2 liter. I believe this has around 150 horsepower if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me if I'm wrong, no? I'm not an expert. So ito yung kotse niya. This is the car of our good friend Richard. Binalik sa atin ni Richard kasi nga he wants us to maintain and take care of this car because he's not able to take care of it properly or use it kasi sa dami ng sasakyan niya. So at least pag nandito sa atin, medyo nagagamit-gamit natin, na-exercise natin. So this car is very fun to drive, no? A manual here. This is a manual which makes the driving experience very, very exciting. Ito yung sinasabi ko, no? So back in 1990s, I believe si Mitsubishi ang nauna na mag-introduce ng mga ganitong kotse. A sports sedan. Sedan, it's a 4-door, 5-seater, tatlo dito, 2 at front. And then yung makina, ang laki, V6, tapos 2 liter, tapos nilagyan pa ng manual, tapos yung gauge natin is up to 9,000 RPM, which tells you that this is sport, a sport variant. And top of the line, we have the electronic windows, the climate control. Ayan, no? Yung upuan, mano-mano. We have the fabric, the beautiful fabric interior, very nice, stock na stock, very well maintained. So that's what I'm saying. Mitsubishi yung nauna maglabas ng mga ganitong kotse, sports sedan back in the day. Napakaganda. So sad, this time wala na silang mga ganito, no? They somehow lost their touch. On to the next car is yung sumunod na model dito. This is the 7th generation and this is the 8th generation, or what we call the Shark, the Galant Shark. So ito, mas professional ang dating, mas less sporty ang dating compared this one because this has the automatic. But again, what I love about 90s Mitsubishi, lahat sila ang lalaki ng engine block. I believe yung iba dito, like that one, is cast iron block pa. And yan, ang lalaki ng mga block na nilalabas nila. Here, we have a 2.5 liter V6. So 3 V6. Ganda ng placement. Napakaganda ng engine. This puts out about 160 horsepower back then. So during that time, malakas na yun for a super saloon, for an executive sedan. As you can see, this has less aggressive lang, but much curvy from the outside. Mas curve na yung lines niya. Comparing this one is quite, the mean looking, tapos malapad pa siya. Ito mas maliit ng konti. But still, they have both the fog lamps and yung maliit na headlight na style and that small grille, both of them. And both, they have the Allegro green, different shades, no? Ganda. Ito parang medyo aqua blue. Ito medyo parang emerald green. Ito parang medyo bluish ng konti na green. So different types of green. Ganda. Pareho pa sila, no? So this car is the car of our good friend Rocky. So si Rocky kasi hindi niya ganun din. He has so many cars, buy and sell din yun. And he couldn't take care of this one. So pinahawak niya sa atin. It's been with me for almost a year already. This one is for sale. 190,000, which only has 80,000 mileage. So stock na stock. Kasi ang ganito, medyo pagkukuha ka, medyo nabihisa na, no? So medyo nagalaw na ng mga tao. So it's very hard to find a good stock one like these two. Ito talaga stock. Stock siya. Kailangan lang natin gawin dito is to change the tires kasi we have expired tires like 2015. But everything is stock, kaya ang sarap alagaan. So from the inside, dito tayo. Ganda ng loob nito. This car, I use to work. I drive this car to Parañaque once a week. We take EDSA route and the Skyway. It's about more than 50 kilometers back and forth. So once a week, dinadala ko siya doon to exercise. Kasi this one, you can really use, as you can see, compared to the Shark. Mas comfortable, mas modernized, no? Yun, tama. That's the exact word, mas modernized with the beige interior. Kasi leather, I'm loving the leather. And everything is electric, even the seats. You have electric seats, of course, the power window, climate control, power steering, and automatic. So, kung hirap ka na sa manual, kung ayaw mo ng Fast and the Furious style, so dito ka sa automatic. 5-speed ata yan. So, ang napakaganda ng transmission nito, very snappy, kumakagat agad, medyo aggressive ang transmission niya, ay napansin ko lang. This car, ang sarap i-drive because of the big engine, no? Again, back in the 90s, puro malalaking engine ang nilalagay nila sa sedan ng Mitsubishi. That's why I like Mitsubishi. And the design is timeless, no? Until now, 2025. Almost 30 years na tong dalawang to. Both are still looking great. This car, pwede mo pa rin iparada katabi ng mga modern na BMW or Benz. And on to the last car. And of course, meron tayong executive sedan, pang-daily, pang-office, pang-mall. We also have a 4x4. Yan, the Mitsubishi Pajero Gen 2. I believe dito nagsimula ang SUV sa Pilipinas. Wala pa mga Fortuner, wala pa mga Montero noon. This was the SUV for you. No? I have the Gen 2. This is my car. I bought this from Rocky. Tapos inayusan natin. Minentain natin na maayos. And I use this car every day, kung kaya, sa office. Very reliable, especially when it rains. When it is raining, tsaka ngayon, almost every day it's raining really hard. So kung may baha, ito agad ang may isip kong dalhin, not the Everest. No, I don't know why. Siguro kasi it's 4x4. Yung Everest natin, ayan. We have the Everest there. Pero pag umuulan, ang naiisip kong dalhin talaga is this guy. Sarap i-drive, sobrang gaan. Again, engine-wise, lahat sila gasoline, hindi diesel, no? Kaya nakakatawa. Even this one, the 4x4. So, we have the 6G72 engine of Mitsubishi. It has V6 3 liter. So, malaki-laki na siyang block. I believe ito, cast iron pa ang block nito with the aluminum head. This one has about 160 horsepower, if I'm not mistaken. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. Pero, yan, yung engine niya. Tsaka maganda noon, walang mga plastic covers, bare na bare, labas na labas. Simple, madali ayusin. All of them, may parts pang nabibili, both brand new and surplus. If you need sa body parts, if you need interior parts, Kasi sa panahon ngayon, may Facebook na, may mga groups na, madaming enthusiast. This, by the way, has a following. So may mga grupo na still Mitsubishi boys. Kaya may mga makukunan pa tayo ng pyesa, surplus, or brand new, if need be. And ito, madali ayusin. Dahil simple lang, not too much computer comparing with the cars today. No? Okay, so we are here inside the Pajero Gen 2. Comparing with the other two Mitsubishi 90s out there, the Gallants. This is my favorite interior of all the three. Hindi ko alam bakit. I'm loving the fabric seats, the fabric interior. We have the chocolate interior, what they call. May sira lang yan. Hindi ko pa napapagawa, but look at that. Welcome back to 1998. This is how they did it. So let's relive the memories back in the 90s with Mitsubishi. No? Kaya talagang na-realize ko lang, napakaswerte natin at lahat silang tatlo magkakasama dito. So I imagine back then, back in the 90s, I was still in grade school in Ateneo. So wala pa naman tayong alam sa kotse noon. Hindi pa natin hilig ang pag-uuto noon dahil bata pa tayo. So ngayon ko lang na-appreciate ang 90s era because right now we have the cars here. We are fortunate enough to have all of them here together. So again, this is my favorite car among the three. Maybe because of the 4x4 system. Ito, yung 4x4 nito, dyan din na mayagpag ang Mitsubishi. Back in the days, I believe ito habang umaandar, pwede mong i-engage. 4 low, 2 high, 4 high, I don't know. Pwede mo siyang i-engage agad, no? Wala ka nang pipindutin. Wala ka nang ilalak sa labas. Automatic, diretso. So that's working. My 4x4 is working. Wala lang ako chance na magamit. Maybe sometime, I'll make a video 4x4 ng konti, no? I love the interior. I'm loving the tri-gauge. That's the best part I like about the inside. Dahil, lalo na paggabi, ang ganda ng ilaw niyan. Then, very simple. Pero spacious sa likod. We have the dual aircon until now. Diba? Ngayon, dual aircon din naman. So, ang Mitsubishi back then, naglabas na sila. Ayan. Tapos, yung likod, magagamit mo. You can hold things. So, this is a very rugged car. Ang ganda ng design. Very boxy. Very classy. Another timeless design. So okay, no? So that's a refresher again of the three cars that we have. Mitsubishi cars that we have. Mitsubishi, thank you for the 90s era. It's just sad na ngayon, medyo naging commercialized na ata kayo. Nakafocus kayo sa mas mabibentang kotse, which is the SUV, I think. But sana, makamabalik nyo yung time, yung sports sedan. Kayo ang nauna, kayo ang nag-introduce sa Pilipinas. Sumikat ang mga sports sedan dahil sa inyo. So I'm hoping that you can relive the era, no? Maglabas kayo ulit ng mga ganitong klaseng sasakyan. So, agenda for today, I need to do some errands. Bili tayo ng, I need to buy my creatine for my workout. So, let's use the Ray-Ban para may driving shots. Dahil this car, hindi ko na nadadrive. And, before I forget, they have their own personalities. So, this car is the most fun to drive. It's a manual, it's a V6. Very torquey, race feel. Tapos sa setup na ginawa ni Richard, the owner, tinrap niya. Tapos merong Kakimoto sa likod. So medyo loud exhaust. So giggle factor this car. If you want tame, pang office lang, na pogi, ito ang kotse sa'yo. Very comfortable inside, traffic, walang problema kasi automatic, tas leather, you tinted ka sa loob, strong engine, this is the car for you. Kung gusto mo naman mag-off-road, or when it's raining, if it's baha, this is the car for you. Ito, walang lubak-lubak, walang humps-humps, walang baha-baha, dire-diretso. Surprisingly, very light to drive, no? So, and I'm loving the color of this one, the iconic stripes. Stripe siya. This is original left hand. This is not a Japan unit. So, this is an original left hand. Embassy car ata to, hindi ko lang alam which market galing, kung Middle East ba, or I don't know. Pero hindi siya converted. Pinalitan natin ng Rally Art. Naka-Rally Art na yan. No? So, let's use the Galant. Ayusin ko lang ulit yung parking. It's very hard to transfer cars here. First start again with the Ray-Ban. Here's the key. Having the manual. Again, bumalik sa atin tong coaching to. Dahil ni-request ni Boss Richard para magamit. So, I put more than 500 kilometers since I got the car. And yan, problema dito, ang baba, lagi ako sumasayad at pa-incline tayo, no? Ang problema, baba, sumayad, harap, likod. Lalo na to, lagi ako sumasayad dyan. And last week, nabutas, umingay. So pinagawa natin yung muffler last week dahil sa kakasayad siguro and sa vibration, nabutas na siya, no? Pero okay na ngayon. Dito bunso natin, sama daw sila. Hello. Ang hirap kung may sakay, lalong bababa. Tamo, gano'n kababa. It's too low. Richard, your car is too low. Dalawa, nandun. So, ikot lang natin to. Bili tayo ng creatine dahil lubos na ang creatine ko para may driving shots naman tayo. And I need to withdraw. Pinalitan na natin ang radyo. May Bluetooth na. Para medyo modernized ng konti, no? Para pag dinadala natin sa office to, at least naka-Bluetooth tayo. Sarap talaga ihataw. Very torquey. Maganda rito, mahaba ang gearing. Yan, mahaba yung travel. Kaya masarap i-drive. Ngayon lang ulit natin na drive to dahil it's been raining every day. At wala namang problema tong coaching to. Lamig ng aircon. Dalawa sila. Ang Shark, ganyan din kalamig ang aircon. Number 1 lang. No? Back to the 90s. Ganun pala, bago kong discover, I've been having a hard time looking for a cellphone holder sa kotse. Kaya nakahanap na tayo. U-Green. Ayan, U-Green. So magnet siya. 200 pesos lang. Lagay mo lang sa kotse, sakto. Matigas, hindi maluwag. Kasi all the other, dami ko nang nasubukan. Lahat sila lumuluwag. After, saka bulky. Ito maliit lang. So lalagay mo lang magnet sa casing mo. Ayan, Shopee nyo lang. Shopee, 200 pesos lang yan. So lahat ng kotse natin nilagyan ko na. At para pag nag-drive ako, may placing na yung cellphone natin. Ano, stick ko. So solid. Saka suspension nitong Shark, napakaganda. Parang Euro. No, the driving experience talaga. Kung gusto mo lang mag-drive, enjoy the drive, ito ang i-drive nyo. Pag Sunday, gusto mo kumataw, ito ang dalhin nyo. Very easy to drive din. So, clutch friendly. No? Yan ang maganda sa sports sedan. Kasya pamilya mo sa likod. Diba? Comfortable. So, that's Baby Queen, Danica, yan ang name. 2-month-old. Ayan siya. Ayan lang, nakalabas na. So, traffic, yun lang. Pag traffic, syempre nakakatamad ang manual. So, withdraw na tayo ng pera, then bili tayo ng creatine. Dito lang sa Libis, sa Wise Choice. Mas daw. Maganda dyan, no? 9,000. No? So, back in the day, talagang naglabas sila ng sports sedan. Mitsubishi yung nag-introduce ng motor sports racing siguro sa atin, no? With these models. Right, kaka-withdraw. And the Shark is looking good here in Libis. Medyo traffic, but nostalgic. Mitsubishi, good job talaga with this one. Ang tapang ng mukha. Traffic, Saturday afternoon. Yan ang hirap pag manual. Pero buti dito lang tayo sa Libis. That's the only drawback when using the manual. Nakakatamad na pag traffic. Okay, bili tayo supplement. Again, galant ni Mr. Eddie Garcia. Looking very good with that Allegro green. Ganda, no? Stock lang. So sa taas yung Wise Choice. So dito tayo bumibili ng mga whey protein. Bibis, Eastwood, Mercury, nandyan. So very convenient. Ganda kasi sa loob, kumpleto. Yan, normally itong brand ko, Muscle-Tech. Pero let's use a different brand this time. Kasi ayokong laging isa lang. Ito, yan yung lagi natin binibili. Yan, ang dami oh, kung ano-ano. Whey protein, lahat kumpleto dito. Tsaka maganda physical store. Nakikita nyo. So ito, try natin. First time to try this one, rule 1. Again, ayoko kasi ng one brand lang. Kasi kailangan nag-iiba-iba yan para hindi masanay yung katawan mo. No? 1.6. Patong L-carnitine. Let's try. Pang fat burning yan eh. Ito na lang pala. Found the better one. Same price. Try natin to. Okay, so got the goodies here. Tagalat is there. Let's head back home. Alright, we are back home. Again, final look of the Ray-Ban. Ganda ng headlight na kinabit, LED light na, and fog light. Nakinabit ni Richard. TikTok lang daw yan, LED. 2,000 pesos. Lakas paggabi. So again, these cars ready to go anytime, anywhere. Pati yung shark dun sa loob. ND Pajero. Anytime I want, anywhere I want to go, I can use these cars, no? So reliving the 90s era. So that's the video for today. I really hope Mitsubishi brings back these cars or same lineup. Thank you for watching.
Two different levels I can relate.